Hey everyone, it's Brian again, and today we're going to learn a great lesson about how to make food specials using our hashtags and collections feature. Welcome to How to HootBoard, and let's jump right into it. Okay everyone, welcome to the How to HootBoard tutorial for food specials. Now my goal for this particular tutorial is to not only show you a great way to promote local content in your area, but I also want to show you the capabilities of the collections tab and the app creation tool. It's a great way to organize or curate your content in a way that's useful and meaningful for your audience. And ultimately the goal after that is once you get the hang of what I'm doing here, then that unleashes your creativity to, okay, we can divide up content this way. What else can we do? You can do the same thing with drink specials or any kind of thing where there's multiple variables going on, and it can be divided up very easily. So to get started, let's make some food specials. And okay, so to start, we want to build the collections. And so in order to do that, we go to settings and then we go down to collections. Okay, so these are all the collections that are currently available. And these are all ways that we have right now by default how to divide up content. Now, this is where we add our collection. So what we want to do is add a collection called food specials. That is the most broad one. So let's go back. Okay, so let's go ahead and make an app. Let's come over here to our apps and let's add app. So what we're going to do is make a collections app and we're going to call it food specials, and then select your icon. I think we're going to go with the plate and knife and fork, the utensils. And then, okay, yeah, this looks good. Hit next. Now we're going to add our collections, and we're going to add the food specials, the very broad one, food specials collection. So create the app. And as you can see, food specials are now highlighted here, and the collections up here with all the other ways we divided up the content is available. So if we just want the Wednesday food specials, click on this, and here are all the Wednesday food specials. If we want all the Tuesday food specials, here we are. If we just want the food specials throughout the week that are half price, here they are. So very handy, useful way to organize the content. So the question now is, how did we get here? What you're seeing now are hoots that I made throughout the day. So let's start from the very beginning. Okay, so now we're going to post a hoot using our food specials collection. Now watch closely to how we set this up, because we're going to repeat this process many times and post content that is meaningful and populate the whole board with this kind of content. So watch closely and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, click Post Hoot, and we're going to choose the link feature. I have a link from a local restaurant that has $5 hot dogs on Thursdays, so I'm going to click the button and add $5 hot dogs and post the URL here. You also can pick a color if you don't, or no color as a background. I'm going to hit next, hit the food specials collection, and I'm also going to add, Thursday food specials right here, and I'm also going to add hot dogs, so that will add a couple layers of added information. Let's post the hoot, and you will see that the food specials collection is highlighted. There's listing all the food specials. And if I click Thursday, there's hot dogs, $5 hot dogs. And if I click Wednesday food specials, you see all the Wednesday food specials using the same kind of process. And you can even organize by specific food, like wings. And these are all the wings food specials throughout the week. And you can also organize by specific price, like cost, like buy one, get one, under $1, anything like that. People like to know how they get the best bang for their buck. So organizing it by price point as well is a very nice way to organize your list. Okay, so now we're going to repeat the exact same process about 15 times. I've organized a whole bunch of specials in my area, and it's a lot of copy, a lot of pasting, a lot of inputting data that people can use. Its locations, its price points, the type of food it is, and also whenever you get to the collections, make sure you choose food specials, and then you get more specific. In this case, I like using days, like food specials, and then say Monday food specials or Tuesday food specials, then saying the specific food, if it's burgers or tacos or wings or whatever it is. And I also like to add the price point if that's relevant, like when it's a half price or $1, so do that too. So as you can see, it's it's a process, but once we get there, it's really great. Dividing up the content that way creates a very nice user experience where anyone who wants to check out the different types of food specials there are out there, they can just pull out their mobile device or check the HootBoard desktop online or check out the kiosk if they're leaving their office or if they're on the run, wherever there's a high traffic area. They will be able to engage the HootBoard on the way to lunch and see where the best deals are. So I hope this is a very useful tutorial for you. Please let me know any feedback that you have with this technique or with this tutorial. I'm always open for feedback. And remember, you can use this kind of thing for drink specials as well, or any kind of specials where there's multiple variables to the specials. So with that, I will let you get after it, and thank you for watching.